Alright guys, so good morning or evening, afternoon, wherever you are. So here we are, we have a unboxing of a product that I bought in Shopee. So this is the TOPK 3A magnetic 3-plug cable fast charging USB Type C iPhone Lightning charge, and then the micro USB cable. So I bought this in Shopee for about 189 pesos and a shipping fee of 65 pesos. So a total of 254 pesos. So you can see that here. So I blocked out my address and any pertinent information. So I for the security of me and my family. All right. So a background, I ordered this on May 29th and today is June 6th. Right? So today is June 6th and I have received this probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably around 7 days, so almost a week. So this is fast considering this is coming from Shenzhen, China. So it came all the way from China. So don't worry, I have already disinfected the package, so making sure that everything is safe. All right, so some of the details here. This is one piece, and the weight I think this is 40 ounces. I think, I'm not sure. So yeah, so let's try to open this. All right, so let me pause the video real quick. So this is the Shopee Mall. This is where I got the TOPK 3A or 3 amperes magnetic USB cable with the 3 attachments. So again, this is 199. Ooh, it's 199 now. But yeah, so but it was different last time. Shoot. All right, but anywho's, so here are the product specification for those of you who want to know the details of the product. So I'll have you do a pause on this so you can check the details of the product. So there you go. Alright, so there. So again, this is the TOPK 3A magnetic 3-plug cable fast charging USB Type C cable for iPhone iPhone Lightning and micro USB cable. All right. So just be careful when you try to open the package. So here we go. So you are experiencing this unboxing with me for the first time. Okay. Alright, so there we go. So the one that we ordered, so this is available in 2 shades. One is black and the other one is red. Alright, so we have lightning charge cable. Alright, so there. Again, this is all magnetic. Alright, all magnetic. So we have the lightning cable or lightning L type of connector for iPhone, and then we have the micro USB, and then we have the Type C. Okay, so this is a 1 meter, 1 meter of length for the cable. So let's take a look at the details here. So this has strong magnetic fast charging TOPK USB magnetic cable, has strong super strong magnetic or magnet which will avoid disconnecting, and support QC3 fast charging output of 5 volts to 3 amps max. Alright, so this is an L shape, right? L shape 360 rotating magnetic head. So let's try to check it out. So let's open this real quick. Alright, so this is the cable. So if you can see, this is actually braided, so which is really cool looking. This is actually my second purchase. I purchased one a long time ago, which my wife is using. So let's go ahead and try to check the different connectors. So let's try out first the USB Type-C. Again, all of these are magnetic. So if you can see there's no other attachments. So let's try to see if this would see if you can see that how strong the magnet is. Right, so let's try to test it out. See how far it could drag the connector to the actual mounting plate. There you go. See? All right. So for this is for the USB Type-C. All right. So here's that, and let's try out the micro USB, and then we'll have a charging test as well. All right. All right. For the micro USB again, this could rotate 360 degrees. So if you have your phone connected to the charger, you won't have to worry about it being disconnected or anything, because it's really tough. Could really connect to the charging plate really well. Again, this is the Type L connector for iPhone users. So there. Again, so it comes with 3 adapters, so you won't have to worry which phone you would be using. So what you can do is you can have this connected to one of the cables, right, or one of the phones, and have it charged as well. So let's try it out. Let's see how it would work. I'm going to get a charging pin, or sorry, a connector, right? So I'm going to get the USB brick. So here, a power brick. So it's off cam. See, it's off cam, but I'm going to have it charged there. See, also what's good about this is at night you won't have to look for it, because there is a USB LED light, so it's going to be very visible at night. So I don't have a phone So I'm using it to record this video. But I do have a, yeah, this is a very old, call this a power bank. Let's see if it will charge. There you go. So see, it charges like really magic. So if by any chance, right, when you're charging and you snag it up somewhere, so you won't have to worry because your phone is still secured. The attachment is in your phone, or is connected to your phone, and it won't damage the charging pin of your phone. So there. So that's one good thing about this. I don't have an iPhone, but I do have a USB Type C that I can actually use for the meantime. So this is my wife's phone. So let's see if it charges. Alright. So again, this is USB Type C. This is a Huawei Nova 5T. So there. Let's see if it charges. There you go. See, it charges really well. And again, if an accident happens, you don't have to worry again. The attachment is staying on the phone and it's not, again, damaging your charging pin. So let's try to see how strong the magnet is. Again, I'll try to pick it up using the phone. See? Just like that, it's charging. Alright, so there you have it. This is our test for the different types of pins, charging pins. Again, I don't have an iPhone that I can use it with. So, but this is for the TOPK 3A, 3 amps, magnetic, cable fast charging, USB Type C, Type L, and micro USB. Alright guys, so I hope you like the content that I am showing. So if you have any suggestion of what I should unbox, so please leave that in the comment, and I hope you would hit the like button, subscribe on the bell icon, and subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you'll be updated with my future videos. Thank you so much. Bye.